Welcome to Casato's Car Seat Fitting Guide, where we show you how to fit Scootle. Please note, Scootle can only be installed forward-facing using a 3-point seatbelt in the front or rear passenger seat of the car. Casato recommend forward-facing car seats are fitted in the rear passenger seat when possible. Fitting Scootle in Group 1 mode. Place Scootle in the vehicle seats facing forwards and push back firmly. Pull the seatbelt and thread the vehicle seatbelt behind Scootle's harness and towards the vehicle seatbelt buckle. The diagonal belt fits above the armrest and the lap belt fits through the belt guide under the armrest. Fasten the seatbelt. At the rear of the headrest, fit the vehicle seatbelt into the belt guide as shown. Locate the tag on the seat marked with an arrow. Lift the flap on the seat and fit the vehicle lap belt under the belt guide. Push the flap back down to cover the vehicle lap belt. Push Scootle firmly into the vehicle car seat and pull the diagonal vehicle seatbelt to tighten. Please note it's important to ensure that the seatbelt is not twisted and correctly tightened. To use Scootle, loosen the harness by pushing the adjuster button in as you pull the shoulder straps forward as much as possible, making sure you pull the harness under the chest pads and not pulling directly on the chest pads. Unfasten the harness buckle by pressing the red button, releasing the clips and open out the belts. Fit the harness around your child and fasten the harness buckle by joining the clips and pushing them into the buckle. Check that the harness is not twisted and pull the harness up to tighten the lap sections. These are designed to fit low down on your child's body. Pull the adjuster strap forward, making sure that the harness is a comfortable but firm fit around your child. Please note, the chest pads are an important feature and should always be used. Removing the harness. First, remove the rear seat cover by squeezing the tab. Unclip the shoulder harness from the connector and pull the shoulder harness clear. Undo the Velcro strap at the rear of the backrest and pull the chest pads away from Scootle. Under Scootle, push on the tabs holding the waist and crotch harness clip through the slots under the seat. The harness can now be removed from Scootle. Refit the seat rear cover to Scootle. Please note, never use Scootle without the seat rear cover fitted. Fitting Scootle car seat in Group 2-3 mode. Place Scootle in the forward-facing position in your car. Push Scootle back until firm against the vehicle seat, then place your child in Scootle. Pull the vehicle seatbelt and thread through the seatbelt guide with the diagonal and lap belt fitting in the belt guide under the armrest. Fasten the seatbelt. At the rear of the headrest, fit the vehicle seatbelt to the belt guide. Adjust the headrest to suit by squeezing the lever at the back of the headrest to raise or lower the headrest to the correct position. The diagonal belt should now be positioned between your child's shoulder and neck. Check the vehicle seatbelt has not become twisted and tighten by pulling the diagonal strap upwards. For more information about Scootle car seat, please see the instruction manual.